Hello and welcome to this Diwali special show on Mirror Now. The Festival of Lights is here amidst the COVID pandemic that we're currently battling. And so this Diwali, it's very different from what we're otherwise used to. In most cities, the preparations for Diwali have been low-key, but we're bringing you stories from across the country of festivities, of hope and heartbreak amid this pandemic. Well, this Diwali, health is a primary focus, but the sweetness of the brightest festival remains. Now, in the city of Mumbai, women who lost their jobs due to COVID joined hands with Nutty Creations and have prepared special homemade sweets using more of dry fruits and less sugar. But what's their story? And more on the Diwali sweetness in this special report by Disha Shah.
Any festival is incomplete without sweets. And what makes it even more special when people come together to make that festival very happy for you. Because right here, due to COVID, everything is now being made at home. From the materials that we need to bake that sweet to packaging. You say, and everything is now being made at home. And people say that this Diwali, this is going to be the flavor of the season.
A 4-year-old place called Nutty Creations in Mumbai has a surprise edition for Diwali, an idea that was born due to COVID.
Especially we have our dry fruit tikki this year, which is a Sindhi speciality, and it's called Sindhi Lai, and it's actually supposed to be this big. But we came up with a concept that we have a bite size where everybody gets everything, and it hardly has even like 2 grams of sugar. And most important thing that we've created this year is the protein and energy balls. So as you can see, these are filled with oats, Canberry, and your completely filled with dry fruits, again keeping only COVID in mind because everybody wants immunity boosting things.
With immunity getting unprecedented attention in light of COVID, energy balls, protein laddus and immunity powders are the new flavors of the season. Phulwani says that there is no compromise on variety given everything is made at home by her mother, who is her backbone.
We are like wheels. हम लोगों को इनकी ज़रूरत है, इनको हमारी. But ज़्यादा इन लोगों को इनकी खुशी होती है कि दिवाली में they get so much good work and they are very happy कि हमको they stay nearby us. So at one call they are with me. इन लोगों के लिए ये काम बड़ा हाइजीनिक लगता है और हमारा घर उनको ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं. And I am like their mother to them. भले मेरे से कोई बड़ी भी होगी तो उनके लिए मैं एक मदर जैसी हूँ. तो they love to work with me. माना जैसे फैमिली है बस.
More than 50 women come in shifts to ensure orders are prepared and delivered before the festival. They are paid 50 rupees per hour. In fact, their client base is spread across India and overseas.
Client base is pan India, like corporates है mainly, और हमारे जो इंडिविजुअल क्लाइंट्स हैं जो हमसे फूड और इतने सालों से उनके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, वो तो एक बार जो यहाँ जुड़ गया वो यहाँ जुड़ गया, वो कहीं जा ही नहीं पाता. चैलेंजेस ये था कि हम ऑब्वियसली इसका डबल काम कर सकते थे, बट सिंस कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड ऑल हैव had their own cut down on employees, and this year being COVID, some people are scared कि हम गिफ्टिंग करें भी कि नहीं. बट देयर आर सम ऑफ आवर कॉर्पोरेट्स, वो लोग बोलते नहीं, एम्प्लॉयज़ को खुश तो करना ही है, तो वो लोग तो डेफिनेटली ले रहे हैं.
This year, traditional sweets too have found their place back in Diwali gift hampers.
This year demand is more importantly going in the packaging foods, not loose foods because of this COVID-19. But still people are trusting us and buying these loose product foods because we are making it very secure and safely. So as we suggest them, so they are trusting us and taking that also. Very shortage of staff due to most of the people are not over here. Because without workers, nothing is possible. So it is very tough. Whole day, night we have to work. So we have just been short of the new varieties also for this year.
The Festival of Lights is incomplete without the richness of sweets. However, this time around, it will be celebrated with caution and care. With video journalist Sachin Yeram, Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
Well, the COVID pandemic has changed several things and a completely different new normal is in place. Diwali, the festival to ravish a variety of traditional sweets, has also fallen in line with the new norms. With more focus on boosting the immunity, focus has been on healthy snacks and alternatives. Mirror Now's Neha Hebale brings us the special report.
It's that time of the year again when people come out to light diyas and celebrate with family and friends, share sweets, share dry fruits, share celebrate the happiness. So even this year, of course, we understand that while many of you might not be celebrating Diwali with the grandeur that you probably did in the previous years, there are still plenty of wonderful gifting options available in the market that include chocolates, dry fruits, some immunity hampers as well. So we're basically going to be taking you through that and showing you all of the sweet treats that you can gift to your loved ones this year.
Diwali is incomplete without distributing sweets to loved ones. From luxurious chocolates and mithai to immunity-boosting dry fruit hampers, there's plenty in store this year. With many confectioners working from home for the past couple of months, they've curated some extremely special chocolates and sweets. Meet Priya, one such confectioner who's been making some exciting cracker-shaped chocolates this Diwali. She has curated some special chocolates shaped like diyas, flower pots, rockets, guns and Lakshmi bombs. The packaging is such that these chocolates look like actual crackers.
The orders have started coming in. We usually receive our first set of orders right before Dasara. So by now we're already in the in the whole zone where we're just making chocolates constantly. So yeah, it started for sure.
It's not just sweets and chocolates, but traditionally, dry fruits too have been considered an excellent gifting option. Specially curated immunity-boosting hampers comprising dry fruits, honey, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds are also a healthy gifting option. Available at Sufia Dry Fruits and Amma Dry Fruit World in Bengaluru.
It's a snack that everybody likes eating. So this is the hamper that I've come up with for immune system, to build our immune system and enhance it so that we can all fight together and take care of each other this Diwali.
Well, many of you may prefer the traditional laddus, gulab jamuns or other sweets as gifting options. We've also shown you the other side and how, the sweets or the dry fruits for that matter, or the chocolates, have really transformed this year, keeping in mind the current times. So you also have that as a gifting option and we'll leave that to you. So here's wishing all our viewers a very happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. In Bengaluru with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.
And with the Prime Minister's mantra to go vocal for local, people in Mumbai markets have opted for Indian products over Chinese ones. Now, the sale of Chinese lamps and lights have taken a hit in the markets this year round. This is a special report from Disha Shah.
Diwali is all about lights, but this festival is coming at a time of a COVID era where already the Indian government has banned a lot of Chinese products, and this is the market which is known to sell Chinese goods. So here we are before the festival to know what is the sentiment of the buyer here and of course the seller. What is it that the buyers are preferring the most? Is it the Chinese goods or the Indian goods?
Lohar Chawl is one of the busiest and crowded markets of South Mumbai, famous for its Chinese lights and lanterns. Now during festivals, it gets so crowded that there is hardly any space to stand. But things have changed due to the pandemic, and so have the celebrations of the people here. This time around, people have decided to go vocal for local and buy Indian goods instead of Chinese.
इंडियन ही अच्छा लगता है ज़्यादा, चाइनीज़ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता। और अभी के इसमें तो इंडियन ही करना चाहिए।
चाइनीज़ का आज यूज़ करो कल थ्रो करो, लेकिन इंडियन कैसा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, जितना है अपना यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसकी।
According to the shopkeepers here, most customers are demanding Indian light. This has affected the sales of Chinese products.
हर साल ये टाइम पे हम लोग बात नहीं कर पाते थे, ये टाइम पे 20% सेलिंग, 20 से 25% सेलिंग है। और चाइना से माल भी नहीं आया है जो हम इंडियन बनाते हैं। इंडियन का लॉकडाउन में माल नहीं मिलने की वजह से वो भी नहीं बन पाया है, तो ये टाइम माल भी शॉर्टेज है और कस्टमर भी नहीं है।
चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट रिलायबल ऑल्सो, और इंडियन सेंटिमेंट्स अभी चाइना इंडिया का इतने प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं, तो वर्ल्ड वाइड चाइना हैज डन समथिंग रॉन्ग, तो इन दैट वे।
On the other hand, there are a few buyers who are opting for Chinese goods for better variety.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में ये सब जो अभी मिल रहे हैं लाइट्स, वो इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में नहीं मिल रहे हैं। तो दिवाली तो मना नहीं है, तो कोशिश करते हैं कि जितने हो सके उतने इंडियन प्रोडक्ट लें, बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि जो नहीं मिलती हो मजबूरी में लेनी पड़ रही है।
मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो स्मॉल केसेस वाले सब जो ये हैं बिजनेसमैन हैं, डेवलपर्स हैं, सब ये जो बनाते हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा आप कुछ सब्सिडी देंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको सब इंडियन माल दिखेगा।
The pandemic has changed many things this festive season. Chinese items such as lights, gift items, lamps, and wall hangings, among others, saw a massive decline in sales because people are opting for Indian goods. With video journalist Sanjay Ranjit, Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
Well, despite the fact that this is an unprecedented Diwali given the pandemic situation, the essence of the festival is still intact. Markets are lit up with the trendy lights, lamps, candles, diyas and other decorative items. However, given Prime Minister Modi's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat and heightened tensions with China, the Made in India lights are more in demand than the conventional Chinese lights. Neha Bale reports.
Well, it's that time of the year again. Yes, indeed, it is the time of Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, as it's popularly known. It's around this time that most of us love decorating our homes with those gorgeous diyas or with the fancy LED lights that we find today. Well, what we're really looking at today is, will the Chinese goods slay the dragon this Diwali? And more importantly, how has the pandemic really had an effect on these traders who, of course, depend on this? So we're going to find out all that and more in this special today.
Every year around Diwali, traders get busy decorating their shops with a variety of attractive lights to sell. This year too, the presence of Chinese lights in Bengaluru's market is conspicuous despite a freeze in Indo-China relations. Attractive string lights, fairy lights, chandeliers, lamps, garden lights and ball lights with the Made in China tag are a big highlight this festive season. Both traders and buyers prefer Chinese lights.
Actually, we are also not interested in selling Chinese goods, but there is no other option. No other option. Chinese are giving us so many options, thousands of options. Even we are not willing. Even customers are asking Indian goods, and there are also so many Indian goods coming, and we are selling it.
While every year traders are flooded with huge orders for all kinds of fancy lights, this time around the demand has taken a massive hit. The main reason is the scaling down of major festivals like Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi and Dasara, and postponing of marriages.
वैसे तो मैडम देखा जाए तो पहले से तो बहुत फ़र्क है, क्यों बोले तो हर साल का जो दिवाली का माहौल बहुत अलग रहता था, और ये बार अपना ये कोविड के हिसाब से मेरे हिसाब से कम तो भी 80% डिफरेंस है, 80% कम है ये बार, बहुत डिफरेंस है, और ये बार थोड़ा कम है। हर आदमी को खरीदने में थोड़ा सोच समझ के खरीद रहे हैं।
Mirror Now visited Chickpet in Bengaluru to understand the sentiment. There are nearly 3,000 electronic and electrical shops in the area, and the traders accuse the government of completely ignoring them.
गवर्नमेंट सबको हेल्प किया, हमारा बिजनेसदार को कुछ नहीं हेल्प किया, आटा वाला को किया, रिक्शा वाला को किया, और क्या साड़ी बनने वाला को किया, सबको किया। हमारा बिजनेस वाला को सिर्फ भाड़ा भी कम नहीं किया, भाड़ा भी बनना, हमारे को 4 महीना घर में बैठा कोई भी देने वाला भी नहीं।
While the government has increased import duty on lights to discourage imports from China, it's the traders who are facing the brunt.
While Prime Minister Modi's call for an Atmanirbhar India created a lot of noise, it seems like it will still take quite some time for it to actually resonate in the markets. Because what we've seen so far is that as much as the traders want to boycott the Chinese goods or want to start utilizing Indian goods more, they aren't really left with an option owing to a lot of factors such as the cost and many others as well. But having said that, it is the Festival of Lights, so here's wishing them and all our viewers a very happy and safe Diwali. In Bengaluru with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.
But most homes light up during Diwali as families gather to spend the festive time together. But we bring you the story of Dr. Gautam Bhansali, for whom Diwali this year will be drastically different. Being a COVID warrior, Dr. Bhansali will prioritize COVID patients over his own family this Diwali. Watch this special report by Disha Shah.
One of the most loved festivals, Diwali, is here. But if you visit the home of Mumbai-based Dr. Gautam Bhansali, you will see only limited preparations for the festival. Amid the COVID pandemic, the festival is going to be a subdued affair for the Bhansali family this year.
जितने भी हेल्थ केयर वर्कर है, फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर है, सब लोगों के लिए ये दिवाली थोड़ी एक अलग टाइप की स्पेशल दिवाली है, क्योंकि हमारी प्रायोरिटी बदल चुकी है. हमारी प्रायोरिटी हमारे लिए हमारा कोविड पेशेंट है, हमें फ्रंटलाइन पे रहना है, पेशेंट रिसीव करने, पेशेंट एक्सेप्ट करने और हमें काम करना है.
Bhansali is a consultant physician at Bombay Hospital and he is also a chief coordinator for several private hospitals in Mumbai. He stays with his wife and 2 children aged 4 and 12 years old. His wife can be seen making Diwali sweets like dal ka halwa and matri because the children love it. She also has diyas ready to light up the house on the festive day. But she says this year it's not much of a celebration because every day when her husband walks out of the door, she's filled with fear because he's exposed to COVID patients every day.
हम लोग राजस्थान जाते हैं और सब गेट टुगेदर होती है, सब भाई और फादर इन लॉ मदर इन लॉ सब मिलके कहीं सेलिब्रेशन भी करते हैं और बहुत मज़ा आता है. बट इस बार कोविड के चलते हुए हम ऐसा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और डॉक्टर साहब पिछले 7-8 महीनों से कंटिन्यूस कोविड पेशेंट के ट्रीटमेंट में लगे हुए हैं. दिवाली मनाएंगे श्योर, बट इस बार लिमिटेशंस बढ़ गई है.
His children, named Arav and Arham, say that they wish at least during festival time their dad could spend some time together. But they also know he's a COVID warrior and has to go to his duty first. For doctors, treating COVID patients is just one part. Often, they also provide emotional support to COVID patients who are away from their homes and loved ones for days together. And during festivals, the feeling of being isolated only increases.
कुछ पेशेंट ऐसे हैं जो सीरियस है, कुछ वेंटिलेटर पे, कुछ बाईपैप मशीन पे. एक इस तरह का इमोशनल बेचारा का टच हो रखा है कि दे वांट टू सी देयर फैमिली मेम्बर. प्लस घर में जो बैठे हुए लोग हैं वो भी उन मरीजों की शक्ल देखना चाहते हैं. जब भी मैं राउंड पे जाता हूँ या हमारे जो दूसरे डॉक्टर हैं जब भी पेशेंट के साथ राउंड पे जाते हैं वहाँ देखने के लिए, हम लोग वीडियो कॉल करते हैं, रिलेटिव से बात करवाते हैं और रिलेटिव को भी बोलते हैं कि आपके और भी 4 लोग हैं, उन सबको आप ऐड कर लीजिए. You want to see face of the patient or patient is not able to talk if he is on ventilator or patient BiPAP पे हल्का सा इशारे में बात करना चाहे. They feel so happy when they see their faces, their family's faces. तो अभी कैसा लग रहा है तुमको? तुम्हारा ऑक्सीजन लेवल वगैरह ठीक है सब? ओके. तुम्हारा लास्ट स्वाब कब किया था कोविड टेस्ट? जी. टेस्ट कब किया था कोविड का? ये 28 तारीख की. 28 को किया था ना? ठीक है. तो 2 दिन बाद करके देखेंगे. अभी ठीक लग रहा है? घर जाना है? जैसे आप हैं. मेरे साथ से जा सकते हो, बिल्कुल फिट है. ठीक है? If he wants to go, let him discharge. Okay? Very good.
Mirror now salutes COVID warriors like Dr. Bhansali and other healthcare professionals. For them, this Diwali, their priority will be COVID patients. With video journalist George Brito, Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
And let's also very quickly take a look at how the rest of the country is celebrating. The Golden Temple is all decked up for Diwali celebrations following the guidelines to curb pollution this year. The Gurudwara's committee has decided to reduce the span of traditional display of firecrackers. As the gates of Kedarnath temple will close on the 16th of November, the entire hill shrine is being decorated for the last time before the winter. The doors will once again open in March or April for devotees. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and the BMC was illuminated ahead of Diwali in Mumbai. Amid COVID spike, Diwali celebrations will remain low-key this year. Gandhinagar's Akshardham temple was also illuminated with oil lamps and diyas on the eve of Diwali. Oil lamps and diyas were lit up at Badrinath temple in Uttarakhand in view of Diwali celebrations. This year there will be low attendance in Badrinath Diwali special darshan. On the occasion of Diwali, the Chief of Naval Staff visited Great Nicobar Island in solidarity at INS Baz. The Navy Chief reviewed operation readiness of Andaman and Nicobar Command and applauded efforts to maintain security of ISL and our islands. And on that note, it's a wrap on this special edition. Thank you so much for watching and wishing all of you a very happy Diwali.